Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Janae. Today I am coming to you guys with another wig review courtesy of Unice hair. Y'all, listen, I am not a leave out girl because I have 4C hair, and if you got 4C hair, then you know the struggle that I'm talking about, okay? So they sent me this beautiful wig, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give it a try. And I ain't too mad. I ain't too upset. Like, I think I really do like this look. I know some of the girls are extremely tired of the lace, and you know, everybody is going back to sew-ins, and now there's tape-ins everybody is getting. So for my girls that's a little tired of the lace, especially with the spring and the summer coming up, this is your beach hair right here, y'all. I didn't have to put any product in this wig. I literally just put some water at the top just because, you know, child, I had to blend my hair in it, child. It ain't nothing with the wig. It's because my hair is 4C. If you got 4C hair, you know what I'm talking about. Blending that stuff. Whoo, child. Okay. But anyways, before I get into the deets of this unit as well as what came with the unit, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll get right into it. Okay, y'all, so this is what the unit looks like up close. As you can see, she is absolutely gorgeous. All I did was put in some baby hairs and blend my hair in with my Lotta Body and some of my Auntie Jackie's curling custard. So I did that for the top and the side, and here we are. And I think that this unit is so beautiful. Like, this hair would have been perfect for V-Day. She has come and gone, child, so we're past that. As a matter of fact, this dress was supposed to be for V-Day too, and it didn't get here afterwards, but we're not gonna get into that. We're gonna get into this unit. So y'all, this is the box that the unit came in. As you can see at the beginning of the video, I did go through, you know, with mainly what's in there, with the elastic band, you know, of course the wig, and then also this cute little bag. All right, so in this bag, you have some hair clamps, some eyelashes. Child, these look like some 25 millimeters, but you got some lashes in there. You got a satin scarf that is super cute, and you also have your wig cap. So you got some essentials in there to come with the wig. So let's get into the deets of this wig. So would I recommend this unit? Yes, I would. Let me see what the price point is on her. Give me 1 minute. So the price point on her ranges, it's 150 density, okay? And of course it's the V part. So the shortest size they have is the 14-inch, and that is at 129. And then the highest it goes up to is the 24-inch, which is $279. So this would be perfect vacation hair, especially like if you're going to the beach or something of that vibe. Like, this would be the perfect hair for that, because this is definitely giving beach. Again, your price point is from the low 120s to $279 for the longest length. And it got here, I think maybe in a week. So the shipping was about a week. Y'all know it's coming from over there in China. But the shipping was reasonable, not pretty much out of the norm like anything else I've seen. So would I recommend this unit? Yes, I would. I would recommend this for the girls that are trying to give their edges some rest from the lace and want something that's really easy to install. Like, besides me having to manipulate my hair, it's literally you clamp the wig on and you're done. So this wig is really easy to install. If you have really kinky hair like mine, you just have to deal with your hair. But other than that, this unit is easy to put on and go, literally. So it's really easy. The quality is really good, and the hair is super soft. As you can see, it looks soft too, and the curls are defined if you don't want to comb them out like I did. I only brushed it out at the top because I was blending my hair in, but I didn't really want to brush the curls out. But if you want to make it even bigger, then that's your prerogative. You can definitely do that. But this wig is super beautiful. I would recommend it. I will leave the link below so that you guys can purchase it if you would like to purchase it. Let me know your thoughts on this unit. I think this is the first time I reviewed a leave out wig. I've never reviewed a leave out wig on my channel, so y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, and don't be in my comments being mean. If you're gonna give me constructive criticism, if you've been here for a while, you know how to do that, but don't be in my comments being raggedy, okay? All right, but anyways, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I'll see you beauties next time. Bye.